Let's see how we can work with branches in GitKraken. So as you can see, here we have a beautiful graph of our branches. We can easily see all the branches we have created and whether these branches have been merged into master or not. For example, this feature branch, reset password, has a single commit and it hasn't been merged into master. In contrast, we have this other branch here, bugfix/change password. Earlier we created this branch from this commit on master. We added one commit to this branch and then merged it into master. So here's our merge commit. Now let's create a new branch from master. So master is the current branch. We can also change the current branch from this drop-down list over here. Now we right-click here and go to create branch here. Let's give it a name like feature/delete user. So now we are on this new branch. We can right-click it and rename or delete it. Now let's go to VS Code, make some changes and add a commit to this branch. So in our table of content file, I'm going to add 2 lines, green T. Save. GitKraken has detected our changes, so let's look at them. Here's the file that we have modified. Let's stage the changes and make a commit. We can say update, table of content. Good. So our branch pointer moved forward. Now we have one extra commit here that is not in master. Next, I'm going to switch back to master and make a conflicting change. So double-click master. Here in table of content, I'm going to say black T. Okay. GitKraken has detected our change. So let's go ahead and make another commit. Good. So look, our branches have diverged. Master is here, our feature branch is over here, and we can see the divergence. Now, before doing a merge, let's compare these branches. So currently the last commit on our feature branch is selected. I'm going to hold down the shift and select the master branch. Now the tips of these branches have been selected, so we can see their diff over here. The only file that has been changed across these 2 branches is our table of content file. So take a look. Obviously, we have a conflicting change on line 3. So when we do a merge, we're going to run into a conflict. Now let's close this and do a merge. So master is the current branch. We right-click on our feature branch. And here we can do a rebase or a merge. Let's go with merge. Our merge failed. On the right side, we can see merge conflicts detected. So here we can see all the conflicted files. Let's select table of content. I love this merge tool built into GitKraken. So on the left side, we have changes on master. And on the right side, we have changes on our feature branch. Now down below, we can see the output. So we can go ahead and select the changes in master, followed by changes in our feature branch. If this is not what we want, we can always deselect one or more of these lines or change their order. Now, if we have more than one conflict, we can browse through them over here. Very simple. When we are done, we click save. Our table of content file is now staged. And here's the default commit message, merge branch, feature/delete user. Now here we can abort the merge or commit it. Let's go ahead with that. So here's our merge commit, beautiful. Now let's say we screwed something up. So we want to undo this merge. We can either revert it or reset the head to the previous commit. So with this commit selected, we can right-click and go to revert commit. GitKraken is saying, do you want to immediately commit the reverted changes? Yes. So here's the revert of our merge commit. Alternatively, we can reset the head to the commit before our merge commit. So here's our merge commit and here's the last commit on master. We can right-click this commit and go to reset master to this commit. Here we have 3 options you have seen before, soft, mixed, and hard. We're going to go with hard. Good. So our merge commit is now gone. So this was the essence of working with branches in GitKraken. As you can see, GitKraken makes it incredibly easy to manage branches and resolve conflicts.